Welcome to Kitchen Adventures. Today we are gonna make cheese rolls. To make cheese rolls, we need a medium-sized onion, 2 green chillies, 4 cubed cheese, and a pound of bread. Chop the onion finely. Green chillies should be sliced finely. Grate the cheese. Mix the onions, chillies, and the cheese together. Add half a teaspoon of salt. Mix thoroughly. In a separate bowl, mix a teaspoon of salt with a cup of water. Take a bread and remove its sides. Dab water on the edges and press firmly. Put the filling in the center of the bread and bring the edges together. Roll the bread in your palms and try to seal off the edges so that no cheese oozes out while frying. Dab some water on the edges if required. The rolls are ready. They can be stored in the refrigerator for up to 2 days or can be fried immediately. Fry them on medium-high flame until they turn golden brown. Turn the rolls to make sure that they brown on all sides. Cheese rolls are ready to be served. Serve them with tomato ketchup. Thank you for watching.